about big data analytics. Could you just give us a little insight into some of your takeaways from today's event?
Yeah, it's always exciting to come to an event like this and see the kind of the breadth and growth of all of the partners that we work with, and all, I suppose, the quality of the products growing in the data space. So obviously coming off the back of COVID in 2 years, we've had, I certainly had quite a while sat at home, and it's exciting to get back out and see all of the amazing things that are being done from end to end, from data delivery to the analytics on top and everything in between.
What's the most interesting thing about big data right now?
I think it's in every boardroom, it's in every question, and it's kind of, I suppose historically it's probably caused a bit of fear when everyone starts sweating and goes, what are we doing with data? But for me it's just the breadth of opportunities. Any question that gets asked in any department, in any sector, it can probably be answered by having the right access to your data or the right tools to make the most of it. So what's exciting for me is that data genuinely seems to be the answer to most departmental questions in any business.
And what does the world of big data look for you in like 4 to 5 years' time?
That's a tough one for me to say. I mean, I've been in it for a couple of years at this point. I think we're going to see a lot more autonomy down the line. I think historically when it comes to software procurement, we've seen top-down approach, big POCs, RFIs. Certainly what I would like to see is the autonomy of end users being able to deliver projects with the best-in-class data solutions, and then show, back up the chain and say, look, this is what this team's done, and this team's reporting, or use of data is better than anyone else in the company. We should consider scaling out the use of, in my case, obviously Fivetran. But I'd like to see that kind of that autonomy down the line of use of data, and that it not be a big kind of lock and key enterprise solution, but something that anyone can jump on, free trials for students, and someone who's doing a PhD in data analytics, which there's been a few here today, we want them to be able to access the tools. It shouldn't be something that only chief data officers have access to via a POC.